Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a look at Mendix, accessible at www.mend9.com. Mendix is a low-code platform designed to accelerate the development and delivery of enterprise-grade applications. It empowers businesses to build software solutions faster with minimal hand coding, allowing them to respond rapidly to evolving market demands and seize new opportunities. The platform offers a visually intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible to both seasoned developers and citizen developers with limited coding experience. This collaborative approach fosters faster development cycles and promotes greater alignment between IT and business stakeholders. Mendix provides a comprehensive suite of tools for the entire application lifecycle, from ideation and prototyping to deployment and maintenance. Its cloud-native architecture allows for seamless scalability and integration with existing systems. Whether you're looking to build web applications, mobile apps, or even progressive web apps, Mendix provides the flexibility and power to bring your vision to life. Furthermore, the platform's built-in DevOps capabilities streamline the deployment process and ensure continuous delivery. Security is a paramount concern, and Mendix addresses this with robust security features and compliance certifications. This ensures that your applications are protected from potential threats and adhere to industry best practices. With its focus on speed, collaboration, and security, Mendix is a compelling option for businesses seeking to accelerate their digital transformation journey. Exploring the platform through its free trial and extensive documentation is an excellent way to discover its potential for your specific needs. By leveraging the power of low-code, Mendix enables organizations to innovate faster, improve operational efficiency, and ultimately, achieve a competitive edge in today's dynamic market. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a robust and user-friendly low-code development platform.